I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, tingnan po natin ang update sa inyong buhay pag-ibig. And I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Okay? Gusto ko rin pong sabihin sa inyo na ito pong reading na ito, kung kailan nyo po napanood, the message meant to find you. So, let's start. Nako, ang nakikita natin dito parang hanggang ngayon, masyado tayong open, masyado nating sinasabi kung ano man yung nararamdaman natin. And that is okay for some period of time na ipinapakita mo yung totoo mong nararamdaman. Pero parang sinasabi ni universe dito na somehow, dapat meron tayong mga sikreto na sa atin lang, meron tayong mga emotions na tayo lang dapat ang nakakaalam or hindi pa dapat ito binubulgar sa iba-ibang tao. Merong selected na tao na pwede nating pagsabihan or baka ito'y buhay pag-ibig na masyado nating ine-expose, buhay family na masyadong madaming nakakaalam, which I feel like hindi nakakatulong, no? Ano nga ba ang nagiging issue nito with the Three of Pentacles? So parang nawawala dito yung sense of privacy, no? Parang meron nag-iisip dito na ano ba naman itong taong to, lahat na lang kinuwento, no? Ultimo regla, ultimo yung mga nakakalat na kung ano-ano. Merong mga private na mga bagay na hindi dapat sinasabi. Now, pwedeng ikaw itong nag-iisip na ito or pwedeng itong person mo, no? Parang sinasabi, ano ba yan? Parang naging, hindi naman kami celebrity, pero parang naging, yung celebrity nga, they're keeping their life private. Pero, ano ba to? Gusto bang maging celebrity ba kami nito person na ito with the Two of Pentacles? So, I feel like dahil nawawala yung privacy, nawawala itong pagkasagrado ng relasyon, parang tuloy yung isang tao dito, again, this could be you, this could be your person, parang sinasabi, ito ba talaga yung relationship na gusto ko? Or ito ba talaga yung relationship na para sa akin? Kasi hindi naman to ganito dati, no? Probably this is not the relationship that I signed up for with the Queen of Pentacles and the Lovers. So, ultimo lahat na nangyayari, pati yata yung mga pinupuntahan, no? I mean, parang ultimo yata yung sexual activities, somehow, napag-uusapan, which parang awkward na sa pagka-honest, no? Again, meron talagang tao na parang nag-overshare. And I feel like if that works for them, that works for them. Pero with regard to the relationship, I think that we also need to consider, lalo na kung kunyari, ikaw ito na nafe-feel mo, no, na hindi naman dapat sinishare yung ibang bagay. You may want to either repost the video or share this, no, doon sa person mo. Kasi kung buhay niya mag-isa, why not, no? Pero kasi kung kasama na yung ibang tao, kahit sabihin mo pang anak ko yan or asawa ko yan, medyo off dahil you are parang crossing the boundary of someone else's privacy. Hindi porket asawa, hindi porket anak mo yan, no? Meron kang karapatan ibulgar kung anong ginagawa nila. What if kung reserved yung tao and ayaw niya ng ganon? Kung gusto mo, yung sarili mo, no, ang ibunyag mo. Ngayon, kung mandadamay ka or sasabit yung pangalan ng ibang tao, I think it's not necessary. It's unethical, no? Parang walang urbanidad, ay yung ganyan. Where's the moon card? So, actually, meron taong stress na dito with the King of Wands, kahit pinagsabihan na, and the Five of Wands. Dumating na sa away, naghumingi na ng, kumbaga, santong dasalan, santong paspasan, walang nangyayari, kaya madalas nagkakaroon ng bangayan, no? With the Six of Pentacles, so instead na sana nagkakaroon dito ng unity, nagkakaroon ng harmony, so, dahil feeling naman ngayon itong isa, ay ano ba yan, nabulgar na ako. So, instead of humingi or gumawa ng solution, ginawa na lang din, minirror na lang din itong energy ng isang tao. So parang, sandali, magbubulgaran na tayo ngayon dito. I don't like this kind of relationship dahil at the end of the day, yung mga pinaggagawa nyo, no, in your private life, at one point in time, masaya kayo doon. Nagkaroon ng issues, kailangan nabubulgar yung mga ganito. Now, kung siguro sinasaktan tayo in physical, and I think that we actually need, no, some form of justice, I think that there's actually a right avenue. Kumuha ng lawyer, no? Humingi ng payo sa mga tao na eksperto. It could be a marriage counselor, no? Yung mga ganyan. Pero to the general public, it's more of my personal opinion to, ha. Wala dito to sa card. Yung parang pinagtatawanan na kasi, no? Yung baka dumating dun sa part na pinagtatawanan ng relationship. Ano ba yan? Magkasama sa bahay tapos nagaganyanan. Ang gulo, no? So parang at simula't simula, wala kayong loyalty sa isa't isa, no? Magkaibang usapan yun na kapag nasasaktan na, or meron ng bigamy, or meron ng mga third party involved that requires, no, judicial system. That's actually a different thing, pero it doesn't always have to be a general public. Kailangan sa mga, again, taong kinauukulan with the King, Knight of Cups. Di ganun din naman pala. So, you're staying with the person na siniraan, no? Kung siniraan tayo, but we are staying with the person, or siniraan natin itong person na ito, but we are still staying, then, the people might going to laugh at the situation kasi you actually have a choice. Leave, take some action, pero staying, I feel like it's nonsense of staying because nagkasiraan na, no? Nagka-bulgaran na ng baho. But then again, I'm not in the situation. I probably don't know what's happening and I don't really understand, probably because again, I'm not in the situation and I do not have the emotion. Pero for me, logically, no? And I think that this is more of, you've done something to me unethically. So I feel like I'm not going to stay in this relationship anymore. No, whether I love you or the intensity of love is that much. Kasi nagkaroon na tayo ng basagan ng pagkatao. With the Chariot, I feel like gusto mong lumayo. Meron ditong napahiya, for some reason with the Six of Cups. And for a few numbers of you, meron ng separations. Or separation is about to happen because this is the universe is about to actually present to you. So, kung gusto mo naman pala mag-stay dito sa relationship at ayaw mong lumayo, parang itigil na natin itong talakan, no? Itigil na natin itong pag-e-expose ng baho ng isa't isa. Kasi, instead of helping, again, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, instead of helping, this might going to be the, yung mitya, no? Ng pagkakaroon ng separation. So, pwede naman, kung separation talaga ang gusto niyo, you can just leave, and probably, wag nang i-open ito sa ibang tao, no? But it kind of make me feel kung you are actually wanting to stay, living with a bomb, well, siguro, no? Again, that para gumante, hindi ko sinasabing hindi masamang gumante. I'm into gante. Pero what actually works for you. In that sense, no? Pero for the sake of wala lang gusto mapag-usapan, I don't think with the world card, is this going to happen? Actually, the relationship is about to change big time. No, whether this is going to be fixed or whether this is going to be the end of the relationship. Foreseeable outcome, a Knight of Pentacles, and you're staying. You're staying with the person na siniraan ka at siniraan mo. Siguro, my 2 cents in here is, can you trust the person that somewhat, no, niyura ka ng buo mong pagkatao, and you're staying with that person for the longest and even for the rest of your life? It's hard, no? But this is the reading. I'm not in the situation, but this is the reading. You're gonna stay. Do what works for you. Do what rocks your boat. If, bombing each other, is working, by all means, My 2 cents in here is not worthy, at least for me. That's just my 2 cents. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago po yan, kung meron kayong mga katanungan dito sa reading na ito, no? Meron pong link sa description box. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yon and baka mawala na siya, no? And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of this person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, or baka lumabas din po ang inyong zodiac sign. I am seeing Cancer, Taurus, Pisces. Scorpio is here. Virgo, Leo, Capricorn, Gemini. Aries is here. This is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
Predicting future is my purpose.